How to add visual effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are on the edit page where you can arrange your clips on the timeline. To add visual effects, click on the effects library located in the top left corner. From there, select the Open Effects tab, which contains all the built-in visual effects you can use. Drag and drop any effect you want directly onto the clip in the timeline. After applying the effect, you can customize it by selecting the clip and opening the inspector panel in the top right. Here, you'll find different parameters to adjust such as intensity, color, motion, and more depending on the effect. For more advanced control, use the Fusion page where you can create node-based visual effects by combining different tools like keying, tracking, and compositing. You can also add transitions between clips from the effects library to create smooth visual changes. Remember to preview your effects in the timeline to see how they look before finalizing your edits. Finally, once you are happy with your visual effects, move to the Deliver page to export your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add visual effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.